Alright, here goes Dad with his new airplane that I got for his birthday. That's actually not for another week and a half.
Ready?
Let's go. There it goes. Oh, uh-oh, behind the tree. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness, look at this thing. Pretty cool.
Higher.
Holy cow. And look at there's Dad flying. Jake looking.
Look
Excitement. Okay, there it is. Where it is? There it is. Holy cow. Pretty cool. Okay, it's way out of range, so I'm gonna say Auf Wiedersehen. Look at these guys are enjoying it. You like that plane, Jake? Are you looking?
Yeah. It's coming down.
Alright. Cool. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness. Way up there. Okay. Auf Wiedersehen.